Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term rhetorical figures. Introduction. Rhetorical figures, also known as figures of speech, play a crucial role in the art of language and communication within literature. These figures deviate from the standard or literal use of language, relying on unique arrangement of words to achieve special effects. While some figures like metaphors and tropes involve a radical change in word meanings, rhetorical figures primarily focus on the arrangement and structure of words. This video delves into the significance of three prominent rhetorical figures: apostrophe, rhetorical questions, and chiasmus, as they contribute to the artistry and impact of literary works. Apostrophe. Apostrophe, a powerful rhetorical figure, involves a direct and explicit address to an absent person or an abstract entity, often presenting an emotional impetus. Through apostrophe, poets and writers give life and voice to the non-human and inanimate, allowing them to participate in the narrative. John Keats's Ode on a Grecian Urn serves as a notable example, where the poet addresses the urn as "Thou still unravished bride of quietness," personifying it and directing the entire poem's focus toward the urn's depicted figures. Similarly, S.T. Coleridge's Recollections of Love apostrophizes an absent woman and the river Greta, effectively engaging both human and natural elements in the lyrical discourse. Rhetorical questions. Rhetorical questions function as a potent tool to create expressive force within literary works. Unlike ordinary questions seeking answers, rhetorical questions serve as alternatives to direct assertions, imbuing oratorical tones to prose and verse. In Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock, the character Fierce Thalestris poses a rhetorical question: "Gods, shall the ravisher display your hair, while the fops envy and the ladies stare?" The question demands no answer. It is a forceful means to express the character's disdain and establish the satirical tone of the poem. P.B. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind concludes with an iconic rhetorical question: "If winter comes, can spring be far behind?" Shelley's query resonates with readers and illustrates the human desire for hope and renewal, making it one of literature's most memorable rhetorical questions. Chiasmus. Chiasmus, derived from the Greek term for the letter X, involves a sequence of two phrases or clauses with a parallel syntax, but a reversal in word order. This creates an engaging linguistic pattern and an aesthetically pleasing effect. Alexander Pope masterfully employs chiasmus in the couplet "Works without how and without pomp presides," effectively reinforcing the reversal with alliteration and demonstrating Pope's linguistic virtuosity. W.B. Yeats, a fan of chiasmus, incorporates it in his poem "An Irish Airman Foresees His Death," with lines like "The years to come seemed waste of breath, a waste of breath the years behind." This figure of speech leaves the reader contemplating the poem's meaning and reflecting on its philosophical implications. Conclusion. The study of rhetorical figures opens up a world of linguistic artistry and expressive depth within literature. Apostrophe breathes life into the inanimate, rhetorical questions add forceful impact, and chiasmus creates captivating linguistic patterns. By skillfully employing these figures, writers captivate readers, evoke emotions, and stimulate intellectual contemplation. Rhetorical figures have endured through time, standing as testimony to enduring power of language in the realm of literature. So this was the discussion on the term rhetorical figures. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.